What's good, gang? Welcome back to the channel. Your boy sounds a little nasally right now because I'm a little sick, but as you guys can see, I destroyed the box. Didn't mean to, didn't want to, but I destroyed the box. Now let's clear something up here. These modify your car series on a budget, it's not like I'm putting garbage parts onto my car. It's only speakers. You get what I'm saying? I'm about to solder the amplifier back to the positive in the ground because it popped out from the pin that was actually on there. But yeah, like a lot of people in this comment section is acting like I'm putting cheap parts on my s2000. You know what I'm saying? I have quality parts on the s2000, performance wise and everything. This is just a freaking speaker, dude. It's a speaker. Y'all like everybody's acting like I'm over here putting eBay parts, eBay intakes, eBay this, eBay, like it's just a speaker from Walmart, which I'm about to throw a kicker inside of. Know what I'm saying? I'm gonna throw a kicker inside of it and it's gonna bump. Don't worry about that. My neighbor has a chicken. I mean, not chicken, a rooster. And then I bought me some kicker door speakers. I've always been a kicker fan. I've always used kicker kicker subwoofers and kicker speakers in all my cars. That was the initial plan. I found a box that actually fit, so I was just gonna go and get me a subwoofer that actually worked. So now you guys know what the plan was. I think a lot of you guys have to calm down. Just calm down. Wait, relax. Your boy knows what he's doing. Alright, I know what I'm doing. Now, I messed this up because the pins popped out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna solder it back. Yo, Rooster, I'm trying to vlog here. Alright, I'm trying to vlog, I'm trying to get it together. Now, let's get this video started. Alright, so you could call me soldering Phil now. Hopefully this focuses. I had to solder these two wires to the pins. Then I soldered these wires together. And yeah. I just tested it in the car to make sure it works before I put everything back. And it does, so that's a plus. Now we're just gonna mount it back into the box, clean it up, and then we'll install the door speakers.
Yeah, a little more. Yeah.
Alright, gang, so your boy just took off the speaker. I said the speaker, the door panel. It seems like it had a Sony speaker in there already. But we're gonna throw that kicker daddy on there because these don't sound too good. But the door panel's off. So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna splice these here so that way the kicker door panel could go into this. The door speaker could go into this. This tool here that I'm using is like the best wire stripping tool. Like, for real, saves you so much time. I used to use razor blades and all that stuff. This, you just push it and it literally releases everything. So you gotta take off this door handle to remove the door panel, and you also got to take off this piece right here, which is a little screw inside this piece, and the door panel should just come off. Boom. Now I just unscrew these and then I pop the new speakers in. So it looks like from the previous owner, he had Sony speakers on here. These aren't that great, so that's why I went with kicker. And like I said, I've always used kicker for all my car setups. Alright, so that's done with. I might still keep these and place them somewhere else. You see? And then you just pop it in here like this, put the wire in there, and then boom, it pulls it for you. You don't even have to do all that extra work. Alright, so I'm screwing in the speaker now. I don't think any other ones. Alright. Alright, so that's good. Now we just put the door back on. That kicks. Don't know. Baby girl, I feel like ooh, we in the spot with it. Alright. Let's go, Ness. Let me lock it up. Right out here by the city. Nice. See, when you're a non-drinker, you get yourself some cranberry juice, and then it looks like you got a drink. She's a drinker, so she's gonna have hers. But we already got to it, but we got a pizza, some fries, and yeah, I forgot to vlog it, but you guys see the deal here. Does this water look similar to something you guys see every day on the vlogs? I want you guys to comment down below and let me know. What does this remind you of? Alright, we got the S out here. Got the nice city backdrop. I'm about to take some quick pics of the S. So let's get it. Alright, now you record me. Are you gonna do the unboxing? Huh? Alright. You gotta carry it down the steps then.
What?
You gotta carry it down the steps.
For real?
Yeah.
Why?
So then you gotta record me carrying it down the steps.
Why would I carry it down the steps?
Because you can't do it right here.
Why not?
Because I have to lay it flat.
Okay.
Ugh. So, as you guys can see, your boy has another big package. I'm not gonna say exactly what it is in this video. You guys are gonna have to stay tuned to the next video to see what I got for the S2000. Right now, Vanessa's back there struggling with the box. It is like 90 degrees outside and it is humid as hell. And your boy's still a little bit sick. So, she's gonna unbox it for us. And she's probably not gonna be able to tell me what it is, but I'll tell you guys what it is. Alright, so she's gonna ever so gently open. Okay, no, she's not gonna ever so gently open the box. Oh, oh, oh. So, to find out what it is, stay tuned for the next vlog. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Squad. I ain't gon' fuck the nigga bitch, cause I know she a eater, huh? Last time I wiped the bitch, she told the world I beat her, huh? And when they locked low Kodak up, my nigga, I couldn't believe it, huh? Hello shorty, on my road, box up a Nokia poking, yo. Hit it from the back, that'll be a minute. Said that I knocked her period on. Mama when I had that poker, huh? Still looking over my shoulder, huh? Fussing with a nigga, no Yoda, huh?
baby. You ain't got shit I need, bitch. You want me to take my time with you, or maybe I'm not your speed, bitch.